Hey everybody, I'm Brendan, and in this video, I'll show you everything that comes in one of Brainspring's Phonics First Course Kits. So let's start right here with the sand tray. We'll kind of build everything on top of this. So next up, we've got the Phonics First keyword stickers, Phonics First syllabication cards, a red word screen, a pad of red word paper, Phonics First strategy card set, a very cool Brainspring spiral notepad, a Phonics First consumable pack, there's a green folder in there, a bag for your sand tray, a whiteboard answer board, a pair of scissors, a bag of Brainspring's half-pound magic sand,
a goodie bag with 2 red crayons and other items you'll need,
and a Phonics First classroom card pack. Now, you'll also get a blending board with this stuff right here, and this will be shipped separately. All right, now that we've got everything here, let's put it in a bag. Let's grab our Brainspring tote bag. And let's load it up. Just like that. All right, now that we've got that, there's one more thing that needs to go in there. A welcome card, thanking you and welcoming you to the Brainspring community. So let's put it right in there. All right, and that's just everything that'll come with your shipment. You'll also get access to our digital library, where you'll find all of your course publications, access to our members area, where you'll find hundreds of resources to use with your students,
and a 1-year access pass to our implementation essentials, a fidelity guide that will help you stay sharp in the classroom.
All right, thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your Phonics First course.